Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to activate and unlock card evolutions in Clash Royale. So let's start. First of all, players will need to reach King level 7 to unlock card evolutions. You can level up by upgrading your cards and donating them to your classmates. Try to check the shop every day because the game adds different cards there daily and you can use gold to buy them. Now to evolve a Clash Royale card, players are going to need 6 evolution shards. You can buy them with real money, but if you want to minimize your spending, there are free ways too. Make sure to participate in every season's Pass Royale. As you progress, you will earn evolution shards, crates, and many other rewards. You also get crates from winning matches, and sometimes those crates contain shards too. Now that you've collected 6 evolution shards, it's time to activate an evolution. From your main screen, head over to the cards menu, then click on collection, and then choose the third option, magic items. It's right next to the emotes option. Here, scroll down to find the wild shard. It's the last item on the list. Tap use and then pick the card you want to evolve. Once you've evolved the card, you will need to put it in your deck. Make sure to place it in one of the first 2 slots. Those are the only ones that work for evolutions, and yes, keep in mind that you can only use 2 evo cards in the match. And that's it. If you find it helpful, make sure to like and subscribe, and see you on the next one.